Welcome back to class. In our previous class, we talked about sounding and writing of letter R. Our topic for today is making the phonic sound of letter R to letter K. And we are also going to associate them with their corresponding objects. I hope you are ready to sound the letters with me. Good. Letter R. Letter B. Letter B. Letter K. Letter K. Now let's look at the following objects we can associate them with. Now, can you tell me the name of this object? Amazing! Apple. And this? Good! Ball. And this? Interesting! Car. Now let's associate them with their corresponding objects. R as in apple. B as in ball. K as in car. I hope you can now identify letter R to letter K with their corresponding objects. Good! Do not forget to attempt your quiz and do your assignment. See you in our next class. Goodbye!